Hello, my name is Enda Cummins and I'm a professor in the UCD School of Biosystems and Food Engineering. I am the Programme Director of the Taught Masters of Engineering Science in Food Engineering at UCD. The Masters is a one-year intensive programme of study covering technological aspects of food production, food manufacturing, technology and innovation. The objective of the programme is to educate engineers and scientists in the scientific and technological aspects of food manufacturing and processing. The programme consists of a suite of lectures, practicals, assignments and a minor thesis completed over a 12-month period. Students will be mentored by internationally leading research active staff on a course of research leading to a minor thesis on a research topic of choice. This dynamic and engaging Masters will provide graduates from engineering, science or related disciplines the opportunity to gain advanced knowledge in bioprocess and food manufacturing systems and also food safety and waste management practices. The specialisation will lead graduates to a number of employment opportunities in a critically important industry. Recent international employers have included Tirlon, Diageo and Pepsi, and a host of other food and beverage manufacturers and service providers. For those interested in further progressing their education in the research area, PhD opportunities are also available for suitable candidates. We look forward to welcoming you to UCD to study the Master of Engineering Science in Food Engineering.